Now I've just arrived at one of my favourite locations outside of Melbourne because today I'm having a look at the new Wonder Roo Pearl 19-foot 6-inch tandem-axle caravan. Now Wonder Roo is a fairly new caravan manufacturer, so I'm really keen to see what this caravan is all about. Just got to get it unhitched and then I'll step inside. I will say one thing right off the bat. It is a really nice looking rig. It just looks great. You've got that light bar at the front, massive storage box here, a couple of gas cylinders. And I've got to say, this thing, it towed really well down the highway. There was a bit of inclement weather, some rain, some wind, a lot of trucks passing, and honestly, no problems whatsoever. It was just a dream to tow. Now the guys at Wonder Roo told me that this caravan comes with a big tunnel boot, so let's take a look. Yep, and that is pretty generous. So I reckon this would be great for your portable fridge. You can put a barbecue there, really whatever you want. On this side, we've got a smaller slide out tray. Now with a caravan like this, it is set up for some free camping, so you might be thinking, do I need to bring along a generator? Well, that's up to you, of course, but this caravan does come with two 100 amp hour lithium batteries, and they're charged by two 190 watt solar panels on the roof. We've got this central storage compartment on the A-frame. It's nice and deep. I reckon you get a fair bit of gear in there. And one thing that catches my eye is that the door rises up on these gas struts and the whole thing looks quite strong, nice and secure. Now the Pearl 19-foot 6 by Wonder Roo is available in a number of different package options. It starts at the bronze package, and that's your entry or budget level package. And then it goes to the silver package, and that's what this caravan here is. You've got the silver plus, and then of course, you have the gold. Each of these package options offers numerous different features and benefits, not to mention construction methods. For example, if you got the bronze package, you'd be looking at a caravan with a Meranti timber frame clad with composite aluminium. Here you've got the full plywood sheeting covered by composite aluminium, so it's a nice, strong, sturdy build. So the main difference between the silver and the silver plus is the construction method. With the silver package, you get that one-piece ply construction, whereas with the silver plus, you're going to get an aluminium frame. As standard with the silver package, you're going to get two 90-litre water tanks, and they've also included a 110-litre grey water tank, which to me, look, that's really important for free camping. And let's not forget this high waist of black protective checker plate. Not only is it going to help to protect your caravan, it just looks good. Now, as standard in the silver package, this caravan comes with roller rocker suspension. If you want to option up to an off-road suspension system, Wonder Roo offers Elco Enduro X and Cruise Master. Now this caravan comes all set up with a reversing camera. Honestly, it's just a case of plugging in the cable into your tow vehicle so that you can see what's going on behind your caravan on the display inside your tow vehicle. Now to be honest, I had no idea what to expect inside this caravan. Wonder Roo is not a manufacturer I've been previously familiar with, but when I stepped inside, look, I was blown away. This is all class. And naturally, it's going to have all the features and the fittings that you're going to want for comfortable touring around the country. That full width rear bathroom in this caravan works really well. There's a bit of space around the toilet. You're not going to feel too cramped. Plenty of room in there to, dry yourself off after you've used the shower. The use of lighting inside this caravan, you've got the LED sort of strip lights here and there. The down lights work really well. You've got your Swift cooktop with griller and oven, a large fridge, microwave. You've got the reverse cycle aircon. You've got your flat screen TV. You've got your BM Pro battery management system, and that's linked to an Odyssey Link system. This allows you to monitor the water levels of the caravan, not to mention the battery levels and some other things as well. And I haven't forgotten the USB outlets. You've got one here, you can charge your device while you're sitting at the dinette. They've also fitted one in the niche on either side of the bed. One thing that really stands out to me is the amount of storage inside this caravan. Look, outside it does very well in terms of storage, but inside it's just fantastic. And one of my favorite storage areas is the cupboard right in the doorway. Now, aside from the overall storage and the general fit and finish of the caravan, which is very good, I don't think I have any one particular favorite feature on the inside. To me, it all just blends nicely together. For two people, I think it's going to be very comfortable. Look at how nicely they've finished off the bed base for underneath. Often you might see a bit of raw ply, something a little bit splintery, but it's all nicely edge banded. And I love the use of drawers here. To me, this is a very good use of space. So that's the Wonder Roo Pearl 19-foot 6-inch caravan in the silver package. It rides on a 6-inch hot dip galvanised chassis. It tows well, there's a generous payload capacity with an ATM of 3,200 kilos, and the fit and finish of this Caravan, especially on the inside, is first rate. Now, I had no idea what to expect when I first picked up this Wonder Roo. Wasn't familiar with the manufacturer. They've only been in business for just over a year, but honestly, I'm so glad I've had a look at this Caravan, and I highly recommend that you check it out as well if you're in the market for a sub 20-foot Caravan for two people that's going to be nice and comfortable as you get around Australia. Now, I guess it's time for me to hitch up because sadly, they want me to return this Caravan.